How to fix OBS game capture not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your OBS game capture not working. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First is you'll need to head over to your OBS's file location. For that, you can right click on your OBS properties. Then you can open up the file location. After you open up the file location, here you'll find the application. Right click on it. Then head over to its properties. Under properties, here you'll find different options. Head over to this compatibility tab. Under here you'll find different options. You can run it as in compatible mode as well, but the one that we want is this option right here that says run this program as an administrator. Choose that and then tap on apply. After you tap on apply, tap on OK, and then simply restart your OBS. You can cross this out and then open it up again. After that, your problem will get fixed, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.